Namaste to all students. Khushbu Bidya, myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about different phases of cell cycle. This session is related to cell biology course of program BTech LTD, BTech MTech FPT and BSc FND third trimester. So basically, what are the phases of cell cycle? So here we can see that the cell cycle is a progress in which a cell grows and divides to create a copy of itself. Some organisms reproduce through the cell cycle, and in complex multicellular organism, the cell cycle is used to allow the organism to grow and to replace cells as they grow worn out. In animal cells, the whole cell cycle takes around 24 hours from start to finish. Some cells, such as skin cells, are constantly going through the cell cycle, while the other cells may divide rarely, if at all. Neurons, for example, don't grow and divide once they are mature. Here you can see the phases of cell cycle flow diagram. Here you can simply see that one is G1 phase, which is growth and normal metabolic, which has growth and normal metabolic rules, and this is first growth phase. When cell comes into the G1 phase, after the G1 completion successfully, it will go under the S interphase S region, and this S phase is known as synthesis phase. After completion of S phase, it will go into the G2 phase, where growth and preparations will be done for the mitosis process. After the completion of G1S and G2, which is collectively known as interphase, they will go to mitotic phase, where they will perform all the phases like prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, and after the completion of all the telophase stages, they will go under the cytokinesis process and divided and will make daughter cells. Then these daughter cells, if they require again cell cycle, then they will come to the G1 phase again. If they don't want to any kind of a further cell division, they will go in the rest phase, which is G0. Again here, cell cycle consists G1 phase, which is growth and synthesis phase. S phase is DNA synthesis phase. G2 phase is preparation for division, and M phase includes the overlapping process of mitosis and cytokinesis. First of all, we will discuss about the G1 phase. So it begins at completion of mitosis and the cytokinesis and lasts until the beginning of S phase. This phase is generally the longest of the four cycle phases and is quite variable in length. During this phase, the cell chooses either to replicate its DNA or to exit the cell cycle and enter a G0 phase. Replication of chromosomes is restricted to one specific portion of interphase called S phase, which typically lasts about 6 hours. In mammalian cells, the start of S phase, the actual initiation of DNA synthesis, takes place several hours after the cell has committed to carrying out DNA synthesis. During S phase, each chromosome replicates exactly once to form a pair of physically linked sister chromatids. In animal cells, a pair of centrioles is also duplicated during S phase. The portion of interphase that follows S phase is called gap phase, and some cells can exit the cell cycle from G2 phase just as they can from G1 phase. Combination of these three phases is known as interphase, and M phase includes the overlapping process of mitosis and cytokinesis process. Here we can see the completion overflow or oval diagram of stages, which includes which starts from the G2 phase and then prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, then leave in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.